Entirely forget.
Hi, Jack Mama here. We are going to learn about food again. We are going to cook delicious food for little pumpkin and also little panda. Wow, we also know how to read and spell the food names. Do you like it? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, we shall begin with the food. Let's see what we have here. Oh, egg. E-G-G, egg. This is the egg yolk. E-G-G, egg. Y-O-L-K, yolk. Egg yolk. Apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. And this is a green apple. Pumpkin will love the apple. Wow, what is this? Delicious drumstick. How to spell drumstick? D-R-U-M-S-T-I-C-K. Drumstick. Yummy. Oh, what we have here? Broccoli. B-R-O-C-C-O-L-I. Broccoli. Wow, this looks delicious. This is grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. Yummy. This is so beautiful, nicely done. This is lemon. L-E-M-O-N. Lemon. Oh, fishy. We have fish here. F-I-S-H. Fish. How about this? Sausages. S-A-U-S-A-G-E-S. Sausages. Wow, we have here is pear. P-E-A-R. Pear. Yummy. How about this? Cabbage. C-A-B-B-A-G-E. Cabbage. Oh, Panda will love cabbage. Yummy. Wow, what is this? This is onion. O-N-I-O-N. Onion. It's good for cooking. Wow, and what we have here? We have garlic. G-A-R-L-I-C. Garlic. What we can cook today? Wow, this we can put. This is some cooking oil. C-O-O-K-I-N-G. Cooking. O-I-L. Oil. Cooking oil. Let's try to cook some of the food for little pumpkin and little panda. We start cooking. First, we have to put some cooking oil. Put the egg in. Oh, there's an egg yolk. That's cooking. Smell nice. Okay. Let's put over here.
Let's cook.
Yes. So we have
Juice.
Nicely done food for little pumpkin and panda. Hope they enjoy.
I'm so hungry.
Okay, that's all for now. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up to Jack Mama Toy Learning for Kids. Goodbye. Bye bye.